up? It is Karen, aka cakedbybabyk, and welcome back to my channel. So, funny story, I originally pre-filmed a video for this video, which is on Sunday, and you know what? I was just like, a fun video would be if I did packing with me for Cabo, because I'm going to Cabo today. Woo! So it's actually Saturday right now, but you guys are watching this on Sunday, but I thought it'd be really cool to have you guys pack with me for Cabo for this trip and all the stuff that I use, what I'm bringing, the makeup I take along with me on these trips, the bags I use. So I thought that would be super fun. We're just gonna fold and pack and just like hang out. So let's get started. All right, so this is going to be pretty chillax. I have my packing cubes with me here. I bought these for my trip to New York to keep everything organized within the suitcase. And it's actually super, super helpful, especially if you are going to the airport and something comes along and security needs to look inside your bag and check something. You don't have to take everything out piece by piece. You can literally be like, oh, I know my toiletries are in this bag, let me just grab this bag, and everything else is just untouched. So that's where it really comes in handy with me especially. And I feel like since everything is squished together so neatly and compactly, it ultimately saves you a lot of space. So I have these packing cubes from Amazon. I will link them down in the description below. It comes with 5 different cubes and they're all different sizes, which is really nice. So I'm gonna use the biggest one for my clothes. So this is how big the biggest one is. It looks kind of small, to be honest, and I thought it wasn't going to fit a lot when I first got it, but then it fit like all my clothes for that whole New York trip, and that was like 4 days. So my views have changed. We're just gonna start with, you know, packing a bunch of stuff. I'm bringing some shorts. We're just gonna roll these. So I have these two. These are from Target. If you guys watched my haul, I'm pretty sure these shorts were in there. I have a dark jean pair and a black pair, just some nice staples. I also am bringing some boyfriend jeans, some regular tight jeans with some holes in them. And I like options, okay guys? Whenever I take a trip, I like to have options with outfits especially. I'm taking pajama shirt, fun fact, it's actually the same as this. Thank you, Nate. This is actually his shirt, like his old basketball shirts, and they're so soft. I love sleeping in them. Also bringing these like flowy, stretchy pants. You know me drinking a whole lot of tequila and eating a whole lot of tacos, so I need something with an elastic waistband. I don't know, I feel like I have too many pants. Because I also wanted to bring these black pants. I feel like I might take one of my jeans out and just swap them out for this dupe. I don't know which pair. I'll just bring them all. Jean jacket, I usually wear my jean jackets on the plain, so this is going to be my plain outfit, a pair of leggings, jean jacket, and like a really simple top. So we're gonna put that to the side. Also bringing this really loose white shirt. It has a tie bottom. I think this is really cute for every day or even like a swimsuit cover up, because I think this is like a large size if I remember correctly. Yeah, this is a large, but it looks super cute. It just looks like an oversized little button down. I also have this little tube top, which I'll probably wear with some of the high-waisted shorts. So we're just gonna roll this. Some staple tops, solid colored ones. This one's from Brandy. I've had this for like the longest time. It's like a cute little spaghetti strap. Also a crop. I just like crops, okay? Crops look, can this plane not? I thought I was done with the planes after I left San Diego. But I love crops because it makes me look taller. Okay, this plane needs to not. But here is another little white tee. She's kind of cute or whatever. Just staples, you know. I like to bring a lot of staples when I go on vacation because I feel like you can mix and match so many ways and it'll all look good. Another white top. This one's cute. It's one of those elastic off the shoulder shirts. This one's from Forever. Another off the shoulder elastic stretchy top. This one's from the Wild Fable line at Target, which now that I look at my suitcase, a lot of pieces I have are Wild Fable. But they're just so cute. Like, look at that. Little frillies. little frillies. Feel like I should bring a dress of some sort. So we're just gonna take this little number. I feel like she's super summery because of the lemons. This is what she looks like. Isn't she cute? That's basically like the majority of my clothes besides like underwear and bras. Okay, so now we're gonna pack some underwear. I'm not gonna show this on camera. Y'all are some little nasties. So I'm just gonna do this like down here. I always like to pack extra underwear because you never know what's gonna happen. It's better to be safe than sorry. Now we're moving on to swimsuits. Okay, I was gonna buy like a bunch of swimsuits for this trip because in my mind, I'm just gonna live on the beach in bikinis, but I don't have that many. I originally already had this one swimsuit, and this one's plain, she's cute, she's a little bit skimpy, but she's yellow, which is my favorite color for a bikini. Fun fact, I look really good in yellow.
I look really good in white.
I look kind of cute in yellow, not gonna lie. So this swimsuit is from PacSun. It's from the brand LA Hearts. I've had it for years. Honestly, such good quality. It has never steered me wrong. She's cute. She's got these little like strappy sides, but she's definitely getting packed because she is a staple for any vacation. So she's going in the bag. I also bought another bikini off of Amazon, and if you guys are interested in these, I will link it down below. I have really bad luck with buying bikinis in general because I'm so small and it's hard to find something that fits really well, and I bought this and two other ones, but those didn't really work out. But I will link this one down below for you as well. But this is the other one. Of course, she's also yellow with some lemon accents. I just like lemons, I guess. But this is the top, so this is the back portion, and then she ties in the front. I will put a picture that will describe it way better than I can describe it. But if you guys want to check this out, I will link it in the description down below as well. And she comes in this cute little bag, so I think I'm just gonna keep her in the bag until we get to Cabo. But I like her. She's like a more vibrant yellow, whereas this one's like a dulled down sunshine yellow. I'm also gonna pack some bras. I usually do like 2 strapless bras and like 2 regular bras with straps. And I also try to bring like nipple stickers because some clothes I have are like backless pieces. So I like to be, you know, covered up. Ho would make it fashion. So we're just gonna pack some bras. And then lastly, I have another bathing suit. This one is actually from Target. I just bought it today because I feel like 2 swimsuits is not gonna be enough. We'll see. I'm gonna keep the tags on just in case 2 swimsuits is enough because I'm not totally happy with how this looked on my body. I was just in a time crunch and I just ran and got the first thing that fit my body, but the bottoms fit really nicely. She's got this little scrunch butt thing going on. I don't know if you guys can see that. The top, however, makes me look like a 12-year-old boy. You know, I don't have that much boobage to begin with, but this makes it look like I am a 12-year-old boy. But, you know, nonetheless, we're gonna pack her, you know, just in case. We're also gonna pack some socks because I feel like people neglect socks. So I'm bringing 3 pairs, even though I might be living in sandals, but you never know. I just like to bring it just in case. I'm a very in-case packer. Like, we don't know what we're doing on this trip at all. We're just going with the flow, so you never know what can happen on these random spur-of-the-moment trips. So that's why I like to be prepared. And this is what the packing cube looks like. So she's super compact and she keeps everything separated, which is really nice. I'm actually gonna grab my suitcase right now and then we can get started on the makeup bag portion. This is the suitcase that I'm using. It's really nice. It's actually one of those hardcover ones. I've actually never used this one, but I found it in my parents' closet, so why not? And I like how it has little wheels on the bottom. This one you can actually bring as a carry-on as well. However, I might need more room in my suitcase, so I might need to get a bigger one than this. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see.
We'll see.
This is what she looks like opened up. She's got a little flap right here. So we're just gonna start stuffing her with my little packing cubes. So the biggest packing cube is pretty standard size, so it fits basically like the whole thing, but I still have the other side to put stuff in, so at least we got that. I'm also taking a backpack on the plane with me. I get really frazzled when I travel because even though I should plan, I don't. I used to be a really good planner when it came to traveling, and then now over these past couple years, I've just sunk into my procrastination phase a little bit more, and I just don't do anything until like the day before. So because I might check a bag, I might just take advantage of like the 50-pound rule and just get a bigger suitcase, but we shall see what happens when I pack everything else in here. I have one more of the big cubes, but I don't think I'm gonna use that for makeup. Can you believe when I went to New York with Benefit, this was the packing cube I filled to the brim with makeup? I was like, I want to be prepared for everything. If I want to do colorful glam, soft glam, avant-garde, I literally brought everything. But we're just gonna find a different size because this vacation's all about relaxing, chillaxing, drinking margaritas and eating tacos. So I think I'm gonna do a pretty minimal makeup bag. I picked up my makeup, so let's pack it. I'm just gonna go in the order that I do my face. Usually, I do my eyes first. We're just gonna bring my staple palette, Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam. You can see I've hit pan on a lot of the shades, so she's going in here. So more for the eyes, I've got mascara, Benefit Roller Lash. I have roller liner right here in case I need a liquid liner. I have 2 pencil liners, one from LA Girl, the black one, and then a brown one from Pixie if I want to do a softer look. I also have one of the Pixie glitters, which y'all know this is my jam. So if we're doing like, you know, girls' night out at dinner, we want to look a little bit cute, I'm gonna pop this on. 3 different lash styles. So I have 2 from Shop Demi Beauty and then my favorite ones from Via Co Beauty. This is in the style Princesa. Y'all know I love this. And then these are in these styles, let's see, Ginger and Lulu. So they're just super light and fluffy. If you guys want a more in-depth packing experience with makeup specifically, like this video, thumbs it up. Also bringing lash glue for the lashes because, you know. Now going into brows, y'all know Benefit 24-hour brow setter, set the hairs in place. And recently I've been loving the Precisely My Brow, but we're just gonna bring Goof Proof just in case as well. Now for the face, we've got City Color Hydrate Me Primer. Y'all know this primer is my holy grail. L'Oreal Fresh Wear Foundation. Unfortunately, this is getting a little bit too light for me, so we'll see how tan I get in Cabo. We're just bringing it just in case because I love how light and fresh it is. 2 different concealers, one a matte formula and then one a dewy natural finish. So I have the Milani for the natural and then I have the City Color Flawless Concealer for the matte finish. Setting powder, Laura Mercier. So I have the Milani Luminoso Glow Palette, perfect for a tropical vacation. Love this, I've raved about this on my channel before. Of course, Benefit Hoola Bronzer. I just like her instead of bringing like a whole palette because it's just the one shade and I don't want to travel that heavy even though I'm packing so much makeup and clothes. For blush, I have the City Color Matte Blush. I can also use any shades from the Milani Luminoso palette if I want. And I most likely will mix the 2. Now for highlighters, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So of course I have Anastasia Beverly Hills So Hollywood Illuminator. This is the loose one. So if I want to brush this all over my body, I can. She's absolutely gorgeous on the face, blinding highlight. So we're taking her with us. For a more natural highlight, I have the e.l.f. Metallic Flare in 24 karat gold. I also have the e.l.f. Baked Blush. This is an Apricot Glow. I like to use this as a blush topper. Actually, we kind of have the Milani palette already, so I might just not bring this one just to save a little bit of room. And then we have the Kokie Soft Glow highlighter. This is one of their cream highlighters, so I'm really putting it to the test when I bring it to Mexico because I'm pretty sure it's gonna be hot. We're gonna be out in the sun, so we'll see how she wears. Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Set 2 is Set the Face. And then we have an assortment of my lippies. So of course, the City Color Be Bold lippies in Caramelo and Mija. So those are staples if I just want to wear them alone or as lip liners. Very versatile. Kylie Cosmetics Velvet Liquid Lipstick. So a really soft matte finish and not completely like dried down, which is really nice. I like it a lot. This is in the shade Commando. I have an e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss for when I want to be glossy. And then I have the Dose of Colors Desi X Katie More Creamer Please and Over the Top Gloss, because if I'm doing glowy but glam, she needs to be part of it. She needs to. So basically that's all the makeup that I'm going to take. It's actually not filling up the entire thing, so I'm going to put it in a smaller bag. To be honest, I'm kind of scared about my palettes. I'm always very weary when it comes to packing palettes in my suitcase, especially if I might check them. I think I might check my bag because I'm thinking about some liquids that I have and they're over the 3.4 mark, so I might just check my entire bag. I'm also gonna bring these simple micellar cleansing wipes. We're just gonna toss that into the makeup bag. We're gonna pack brushes as well. So we have the face sponge. I'm not gonna bring this one, I'm gonna bring a clean one, but for the time being, sponge. We also have a powder brush, bronzer brush, a highlight brush, blush brush, something for the cream highlight. Love that. We also have some brushes for the eyes. Also a brush to carve out brows. We're gonna bring tweezers. I like to bring 2 pairs of tweezers. One like pointy tip. I don't know if you guys can see that, but oh well. And then one like slanted tip. Woo-hoo-hoo. She's done. Now we're going to move on to toiletries. So I am paranoid when it comes to traveling, and I'm very, very scared of things exploding in my bag. And it actually happened when I was on my way back home from New York. My shampoo and conditioner exploded in my suitcase, and I checked that suitcase, so it was literally everywhere. But we're going to put anything that can leak in a Ziploc bag because I'm paranoid. So we're just gonna go through my skincare routine and then I'll tell you guys everything I'm packing with me. So first, we're gonna take the makeup off. We already have the wipes. And then I like to go in with my cleanser. So this is just the travel size cleanser from Target. Plop that in there. I'm also bringing my Clairsonic brush, but I still have to use it tonight, so I'm not yet packing that one. We get out of the shower, we're gonna do Pixie Toner. Love this, staple. After toner, we're gonna do Trader Joe's Hyaluronic Moisture Boost Serum. And then we do our moisturizer. After that, I like to take my contacts out, so travel size of solution and a case. We're not going to put that in the bag. Other toiletries, sunscreen. This is the Hydro Boost Water Gel Lotion from Neutrogena, and also a little spray deodorant. Also gonna pack toothbrush and toothpaste, but I still gotta use that tonight, so we're not packing that yet. I'm assuming there's gonna be shampoo and conditioner at the hotel. There better be, or else I'm gonna smell, or I'll be washed by the pool or the ocean. And of course, all the important stuff, wallet, phone charger, passport, all that stuff, we're going to pack in my backpack. I'm not going to talk too much about the backpack today because it's pretty self-explanatory, but everything in my suitcase is done. So of course that is it for this video. Thank you guys for tuning into this super like impromptu video. I did this super last minute. Also, for the next video, it's going to be my July favorites. That's actually going to be pushed back until Wednesday. So I know I mentioned that I'm going to Cabo in that video, but by the time I post that one, I'll already like be in Cabo. Just, you get it. Schedule's all messed up. I'm human. With that being said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up, all that good, and I'll see you guys in my next one.